Wasim to Salam again. Good field there by Wasim. Good running between the wickets. A run out opportunity. Out given by the umpire there. Out signal by the umpire. Last ball remaining in this over. Salam has to walk back. A big wicket for Al Fateh in the name of Salam. Walking in center, the skipper of Rangers, Naveed. Wasim to bowl to the skipper of Team Rangers, Naveed. Straight down the ground. DJ there cutting it down for a single. Completion of over. The score moves on to after the completion of over number 1, the score moves on to 6 runs for the fall of 1 wicket in the name of Salam. We have a good fielder at covers, Mohammad Harun. Brilliant knock at the morning in Goa Garden by Mohammad Harun. Correction, score is 5 runs. Best fielder of Team Al Fateh, I can tell, is Mohammad Harun. Standing at covers. To start the proceeding is Afridi. He's going to bowl to the skipper of Team Rangers. Cut shot. Single taken by the batsman that brings back Zishan on strike. Speaking about number 18, Mohammad Harun. Fielding skills and batting skills. Zishan to face Afridi. Good ball by Afridi. Third ball. Right onto the legs of Zishan. Afridi to Zishan again. Trying to play a sweep shot. 1 run taken by Zishan there. Brings back the skipper of Rangers, Naveed on strike. He will face Afridi. Straight down the ground. Brilliant shot by the skipper of Team Rangers. 6 signal by the umpire there. He wants to take on this bowler. Afridi is the skipper of Team Rangers, Naveed.
Naveed on strike. Flicks it on the corner. No run. Afridi to Naveed. Shuffles. Plays it on the offside for a single. Good throw from Harun. Completes the over. After the completion of 2 overs, score moves on to 14. Fourteen. Fourteen. Wasim to Naveed. Oh, misses the ball. Dot ball from Wasim. Naveed facing Wasim. A drop catch. Naveed facing Wasim. A second drop, consecutive drops. Naveed finding some luck there. Wasim bowling to Naveed. Hits it down the ground. Afridi covers, takes a clean throw. Zishan facing Wasim. Attacking field from Al Fateh. Zishan swipes it over the square leg for a 6. Excellent batting from Zishan. Zishan looking in fine touch there. What does Wasim have in reply? Zishan shuffles. Wasim misses the mark. White ball. Zishan facing Wasim. Nudges it down. Dot ball. Over. Completion of the over. After the completion of 3 overs, score moves on to 22. Afridi to bowl his second over. Naveed will be facing Afridi. Naveed facing Afridi. Tries to hike it on the body. Dot ball. Naveed facing Afridi. Hikes it around. Tries for the single. No, says Zishan. Right call from Zishan there. Naveed facing Afridi. Misses the cut. Dot ball. 3 consecutive dots. Pressure building on the batsman. Another dot ball. Excellent bowling from Afridi. Giving no freebies to Naveed. Last 2 balls. Misses the cut. Another dot ball. Excellent bowling from Afridi. Bringing Al Fateh back into the game. A good shot to the covers fielder for a single. Excellent bowling from Afridi, conceding only a single from this over. After the completion of 4 overs, score moves on to 23.
4 overs gone, 23 runs on the board so far for Rangers. With that, Rehan comes into attack straight away, bowling around the sticks to Naveed, who has been under pressure for some time in the last over. 2 catches put down from Salman. So far resulting good for Al Fateh. Rehan deciding to go around the sticks straight away to right-handed Naveed. Suhail, the man at catching position. Here comes Rehan. In fact, it's Imran. Full toss delivery, whacked away. Excellent fielding there by Harun on the mid-wicket boundary. Runs the first one hard, runs the third one. This is excellent running from Zishan. 3 quick runs taken. Imran starting off with a low full toss. Excellent stuff there from Harun on the mid-wicket boundary. That brings left-handed Zishan on strike. The captain there of Al Fateh Wasim making some changes in the field. Here comes Imran. Oh, lovely delivery, beats the batsman completely. Keeper fumbles, doesn't matter, dot delivery. Excellent stuff from the young lad. Oh, goes for a big one! Well, outside the ground for a biggie. Excellent shot from Zishan. This time, bowler trying to be a bit slow. Zishan timed it so well, it went out of the ground for 6 runs. Magnificent piece of batting. Imran once again to Zishan. So another big one! Another outside the ground for a 6. 2 hat-trick of 6s. Another 6 from Zishan. The ball is back to the ground, so as the fielders. Here comes Imran once again to Zishan. Oh, lovely delivery this time. Once a quick single, no, says Zishan. Dot delivery, good comeback from Imran. So far, 15 runs scored of this over. With one more delivery to go. Here comes Imran. Full toss delivery, whacked away, misfielder from 2 runs taken. No ball signal from the square leg umpire. Free hit signal there from umpire Farid. The bowler is under pressure. 18 runs of this over so far with one more delivery to go. Free hit as well. Oh, lovely delivery. Beats the batsman completely. Excellent stuff from Imran to end the over. 5 overs gone. Score moves on to 41 runs on the board for the loss of 1 wicket. So the last 3 power play overs begin from over number 6. Who is it going to be for Al Fateh to bowl this important overs? A very expensive over from Imran. 18 runs of it. Still a lot of discussion between the Rangers. Who is it gonna be? Looks like it's gonna be Imran. Another Imran comes to ball. This over number 6. 41 runs on the board. 5 overs gone.
Money and solve your problems. If you want to buy jewelry, you find hundreds of stores. But if you want to sell our gold, you have to pledge it. Are you worried about paying interest for your own gold? Sell the gold you have pledged for today's online rate. Get money and solve your problems.
They have a very
If you
good batting lineup. Imran with the ball. Only 3 men allowed outside the circle. Here comes Imran bowling over the sticks to the right-handed Naveed. Oh, lovely delivery. Right down the legs. No chance for the batsman. Excellent stuff. Dot delivery to start off the proceedings. Straight away some advice there from Zishan. Naveed on strike will be facing Imran. Straight away changing the field placing. Wasim comes in at the catching position. Here comes Imran to Naveed. Oh, lovely delivery into the gap. Easy single for the batsman. That brings dangerous Zishan back on strike. So far, Zishan has smashed 3 sixes. Scored 23 runs of 13 balls. Pin drop, silence at the ground. Here comes Simran to Zishan. Tries to go for a big one. Beaten on the legs. Excellent stuff from the bowler. A very, very decent over so far from Imran. With another 2 deliveries to go. In fact, 3 more deliveries to go. Imran to Zishan. Oh, lovely delivery. Beaten. Excellent stuff from the bowler. Interestingly, Salman at the catching position. Oh, shot delivery! What the way outside the ground for another big one. It's raining sixes here at the East ground. Courtesy some splendid batting from Zishan. Here comes Imran. Oh, lovely delivery. Good comeback after the 6. Excellent over from Imran. 7 runs coming of it. The score moves on to 48 runs after the completion of 6 overs. After a lot of discussion between Al Fateh, it's going to be Salman. So far, put down 2 catches behind the stumps. Comes to ball, a very important over number 7. Naveed will be the man on strike. Salman bowling around the sticks to Naveed. Over number 7. Second over of the power play. Here comes Salman. Full toss delivery, right away in the gap. Running towards the boundary. Fielder comes in, cuts it off. Does a brilliant job on outside the fielder. Harun does well to stop the boundary. 2 runs taken. With the 2 runs, 50 comes up there for Rangers. Short delivery into the gap, straight to the fielder. Good running there from Naveed. 1 more run added to the total of Rangers. With that, left-handed Zishan back on strike. Can Zishan hit another 2 or 3 sixes? That would really boost the energy of the Rangers. Lot of changes there from the bowler. Salman with the ball. Oh, trying to go for a big hit. Beaten. Excellent stuff from Salman. They know how important these overs are. Salman once again with the ball. Bowling around the sticks to the left-hander. Zishan has been in top-class form so far. Here comes Salman. Oh, lovely delivery. Excellent delivery. 2 consecutive dot deliveries. Building pressure for the batsman. Here comes Salman. Full toss delivery. No ball signaled. What a time to bowl a no ball. You bowled 2 good deliveries. Trying to show some extraordinary runs, resulting in an extra run. Most importantly, free hit. Zishan on strike. Where is this going? Is this going out of the ground? Yes, it does! What a shot from Zishan! Magnificent piece of batting from the left-hander. He's a treat to watch. It's a treat to watch this guy with the bat. Excellent all-rounder. Zishan on strike. Once again, will be facing Salman. Is this going to go outside the ground as well? No, it's been good comeback from the bowler. That's the end of over number 7. And the score moves on to 58 runs. सात ओवर के खत्म होने पर बढ़ता हुआ स्कोर 50 पर 8 रन. बेहतरीन बल्लेबाजी यहां पर जीशान और नवीद द्वारा. इस इनिंग का आखिरी ओवर करेंगे इमरान, जो अपने पहले ओवर में काफी महंगे साबित हुए थे. 18 रन दिए थे अपने पहले ओवर में. इमरान के हाथों में गेंद. सामना करेंगे नवीद. बेहतरीन बल्लेबाजी का मुजाहरा यहां पर दोनों बल्लेबाज द्वारा, जीशान और नवीद. छोटी गेंद थी, कट करना चाहते थे नवीद, बीट हुए पूरी तरीके से। बेहतरीन शॉट, सीधा बॉलर के सर के ऊपर से, सिंगल रन से संतुष्ट हुए वहां पर जीशान और नवीद। इसी के साथ जीशान वापस स्ट्राइक पर। 4 गेंदें बची हैं अभी इस ओवर की। इमरान के हाथों में गेंद, सामना करेंगे जीशान जो अब तक काफी शानदार बल्लेबाजी कर चुके हैं। वसीम कैचिंग पोजीशन, बड़ी शॉट खेलना चाहते थे, बीट हुए। बेहतरीन गेंदबाजी यहां पर इमरान द्वारा। बेहतरीन गेंदबाजी यहां पर, जीशान काफी परेशान। What's Wasim doing in the last over in the catching position? A very unnecessary field. Here comes Imran. Oh, way outside the ground for another biggie. A big 6, 106 meters long. Excellent shot from Zishan. One more ball to go in this over. The last over of this innings. That's the end of this innings. Excellent shot from the bat with Zishan. They've put up 66 runs on the board. Al Fateh required 67 runs to win this game. Zishan with the help of 6 sixes scoring 42 runs.
Want to buy jewelry, you find hundreds of stores. But if you want to sell our gold, you have to pledge it. Are you worried about paying interest for your own gold? Sell the gold you have pledged for today's online rate. Get money and solve your problems. If you want to buy jewelry, you find hundreds of stores. But if you want to sell our gold, you have to pledge it. Are you worried about paying interest for your own gold? Sell the gold you have pledged for today's online rate. Get money and solve your problems. If you want to buy jewelry, you find hundreds of stores. But if you want to sell our gold, you have to pledge it. Are you worried about paying interest for your own gold? Sell the gold you have pledged for today's online rate. Get money and solve your problems. If you want to buy jewelry, ಏನು ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
ರಿಸೆಪ್ಷನ್ ಕೂತಿರೋ ಆಂಟಿ ನಂಗೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋದೆ. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಕೊಡಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಬಾ.
ಪೆಡಿಕ್ಯೂರ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. ಅಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಅಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಮೆಂಟಾ?
ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಅಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ.
ಏನೋ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಕೊಡಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದೆ.
ಚಿಲ್ ಮಾಡು ಬೇಬಿ.
ಬೇರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮೀ,
ಎಸ್,
ನೀವು ಸಲೂನ್ ಓನರ್ ಮಗನಾ?
ಇಲ್ವಲ್ಲ.
ನಮಗೆ ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ನಿಮಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬಂದ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಹೇರ್ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಅವನಿಂದ.
ಯಾರಿಂದ?
ಇದಾನಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಲೂನ್ ಗುರು ಆ್ಯಪ್ ಇರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸಲೂನ್ಗೆ ಬಂದು ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಏನಿದೆ? ನಂತರ ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇಂದ ಆ್ಯಪಲ್ಲಿ ಬುಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಚಿಲ್ ಬೇಬಿ.
ಸಲೂನ್ ಗುರು.
Harun facing Furqan. Tries to nudge it, beat in. Lovely line from Furqan. Furqan to Harun. Attempts the sweep, misses it. Dot ball. Good start from Furqan. nicely nudged, takes a single. Two runs coming of the 4 balls. Afridi facing Furqan. Hits it straight down the ground. Please coming to the picture. Safe hands. Catch taken. Afridi departs. Pressure on the run chase. New batsman Salman from Dynamic Dashers. Harun will be facing the last ball. Last ball of the over. Lovely shot to the covers fielder. Runs the first one. Says no to the second. Excellent bowling from Furqan. Just 3 runs of this over. Zishan to bowl the second over. Someone in Al Fateh needs to go big if they got to chase down this total. Zishan to Harun. Lovely ball outside the off stump. Tiger appealing. Ball 2. Straight on the ground. Fielder comes in charge. Only a single. Good work from Atiq. Salman facing Zishan. Straight down the ground. Runs the first one hard. Irfan collects it cleanly. Good throw from Irfan. Harun facing Zishan. Straight hit. He's coming to the picture, but that's gone for 6. Excellent batting from Harun. Releasing the scoreboard pressure. This young lad looks in great form. Can he do it for Al Fateh today? Harun facing Zishan. Tries another hit. Misses. Dot ball. Last ball of the over. Good shot down the ground. Irfan collects the ball. Good throw from Irfan. After the completion of 2 overs, score moves on to 12. To bowl over number 3 is Irfan. He is up against a young lad, Harun. Zishan doing the field placements. He wants his fielders in place. Shuffles his fielders around. Irfan to Harun. Edges it. Atiq collects the ball. Good fielding there from Atiq. Salman facing Irfan. Right call there. There was never a run there. Salman facing Irfan. Down the leg side, white signal by the umpire. Salman facing Irfan. Tries to hike it over mid wicket, misses the ball, dot ball. Down the ground. Harun facing Irfan. Nudges it with a straight back to the bowler, dot ball. Last ball of the over. Nudges it down. Salman says no. At the completion of 3 overs, score moves on to 15. This is tight bowling from Rangers. B2PL Season 5 organized by Uzair, Shape, Firdos and friends. Title sponsors Fivo, Lenco. Associate sponsors Sristar Gold Company. Grooming sponsors Saloon Guru. Trophy sponsors Unique Creations. The crowd's favorite Tiger to bowl to Salman. A crucial over in the context of the match. Requesting the captains of Sultan 11 and DCC Ashes to come near the dice for the toss. Salman hikes it straight down the ground. Trees coming to the picture. Salam collects the ball. Clean catch. Trees helping the cause for Rangers. There's nothing wrong that Tiger can do on field today. The crowd's favorite Tiger takes the first wicket of his very first delivery. New batsman out in the center is DJ Wasim, the captain of Al Fateh. Harun facing Tiger. Nudges it straight down the ground. Irfan collects a clean catch. On a hat-trick is Tiger. Excellent bowling from Tiger, bringing Rangers back into the game. Never doubt on what Tiger can do for his team. Swinging faith in favor of the Rangers is Tiger. Requesting the captains of Sultan 11 and DCC Ashes to please come near the dice for the toss. Tiger on a hat-trick, setting his fields clear. Can the crowd's favorite Tiger get a hat-trick? In front of him is DJ Wasim. Wasim shuffles, hits it straight down the ground. That's a hat-trick! Excellent bowling from Tiger. The first hat-trick of the season. And it belongs to the crowd's favorite Tiger. There's nothing that Tiger can do wrong today. Excellent bowling from Tiger. Rangers right back into this context. Out in the center is Bravo and Salman. Tiger with his excellent bowling skills takes the first hat-trick of the season. 3 consecutive wickets. What does Tiger have against Bravo? Bravo will be facing the informed Tiger. Tiger to Bravo. Bravo attempts the sweep. Hits it for 6. You might have taken a hat-trick, but that doesn't matter to Bravo. He smokes it on the offside for a switch. Excellent batting from Bravo. That's the youngster's bravery. Doesn't mind if it was a hat-trick earlier. Shuffles again. Hits it square. Runs the first one hard. Can he come back for 2? Comes for the second quite easily. Excellent batting from Bravo. Bravo putting pressure on Tiger. Bravo facing Tiger. Bravo takes a single of the last ball. He keeps the strike. Bravo's looked in excellent touch. After the completion of 4 overs, score moves on to 24. Al Fateh need 43 runs of 24 balls to win this contest. Bravo will be facing the experienced campaigner Zishan. Bravo's looked in excellent touch. Can he help his team's cause? Bravo facing Zishan. Goes for the switch hit, misses it. .43 required of 23 balls. Bravo on the shuffle. Turns the reverse. Misses it. Zishan very clear about his plans to Bravo. Bravo shuffles. This time tries the hit. Straight to the fielder. You cannot get run out. You were batting so beautifully. That's not how you give your wicket away. In comes Suhail for Al Fateh. Zishan to Suhail. Hits it straight down the ground. Atiq comes. Fumbles. But with no effect. A single. Excellent bowling from Zishan. Giving no freebies away. 2 balls left in this over. Can Zishan finish it off well? Against him is Salman. Zishan going around the wicket to Salman. Salman to Zishan, a quicker one. Wide down the leg side. Furqan having a quiet chat with Zishan. They know that this game is not over yet. Zishan to Salman. Tries to hit him. Runs on the bike. Single taken. Last ball of Zishan's over. Suhail facing Zishan. Can Zishan finish this over? Well. Oh, that's a lovely delivery from Zishan. After the completion of 5 overs, score moves on to 27. Forty runs required of 18 deliveries. Requesting the captains of Sultan Levin and BCC Ashes to please come near the dice for the toss. Last call for the captain of BCC Ashes to come near the dice. Salman will be facing Furqan. 40 runs required of 18 balls. These are power play overs. Only 3 fielders allowed outside the 30-yard circle. Salman facing Furqan. A quick delivery beaten. News from the center. DCC Ashes won the toss and elected to field first. Salman facing Furqan. Hits it straight down the ground. Fielders charging. Atiq's there. Misfield. Results in a 4. Can Salman get going for Al Fateh? Salman facing Furqan. That's a lethal delivery on the stumps. Cleans him up. Furqan doing a fine job for Rangers. In comes Ismail. Ismail facing Furqan. Ismail known for his big hitting. Ismail facing Furqan. Tries to hike it. Misses the ball. Results in a single. Brings Suhail back on strike. Facing Furqan is Suhail. Hits it to deep mid wicket. Fielder coming underneath it. Not comfortable, but takes a clean catch. Sultan takes a clean catch. Suhail has to walk back to the dressing room. Ismail will be facing the last ball from Furqan. Hits it down the ground, straight to the fielder. Salam collects it. Does a good throw. Well backed by Zishan. "34 runs required of the last 2 overs. Zishan to Ismail, switch it. Misses the ball. Good bowling from Zishan. Contributing with the bat as well as the ball. Shuffles, misses. Excellent bowling from Zishan. Building pressure on Ismail. Zishan bowling to Ismail. Tries to hike it, misses. White ball. Switch hit. Oh, the ball helps the cause for Rangers. Luck running their way. Wasim facing Zishan. Attempts the switch hit, misses the ball. Good bowling from Zishan. Last 3 balls of this over. Misses the switch hit. Last ball of this over. Last ball of this over. Wasim facing Zishan. Last ball. Attempts the switch. Again the straight bat. Misses the ball. Dot ball. Excellent bowling from Zishan. What an all-round performance from this lad. Zishan doing it with the bat and with the ball too. "35 runs on board. Wasim to face the man of the moment, Tiger. Ismail facing Tiger. First ball. Down the leg side. White signal by the umpire. Tiger with his heroics in his very first over, picking up a hat-trick. Goes down the leg side on the first ball of his second over. Wasim hits it straight down the ground. A 4. Helping the Al Fateh's cause is Ismail. Ismail facing Tiger. Hits it down. Good throw from Zishan. Now out says the umpire. A clean throw, a clean collect would have seen the back of Ismail. Wasim facing Tiger. Misses. Dot ball. Last 2 balls. Misses. Single conceded. Last 2 balls of the sword. It's a wide ball. Ismail goes for the switch. High on the bat. Easy catch for Rahman. Tiger takes 4 wickets. Can he get a fifer in the last ball of this innings? Can Tiger get a fifer? Tiger bowling to a seam. Last ball of this innings. A dramatic end. Oh, miss white ball. Still chances. High chances of Tiger getting a fifer. The crowd's favorite Tiger about to bowl his last delivery. No, says the umpire. Tiger's pleading. No, says the umpire. Excellent performance from Rangers. Win this match comprehensively. The next match is between Sultan 11 and DCC Ashes. What